Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Makena here. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please consider subscribing onto this channel before the end of this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I love you. So today guys, I wanted to share with you tips and tricks that I use to store vegetables and fruits in the fridge for them to stay a little bit longer. So I hope that you learn one or two things from this video, and I hope that you enjoy also. So make sure you watch till the end to be able to see the before and after of everything that we're gonna do together. So let's get right into it.
Reconnection from separate sections, cause we could meet in the middle with no sense of direction. If it's sun up to sundown, we mess around, we're way too involved.
Guys, I've mixed my water with white vinegar because I don't have veg wash, but if you have, you can use that. So that's what I'm using. And then make sure you thorough clean your vegetables and the fruits, so that, and let them dry well so that you can store. Guys, as you can see, I've already washed my veggies. They are very red. They were drying up, so I need to like store them now, as you can see. And then that one. But these ones I won't wash. I don't like washing the carrots because I end up seeing them going bad quickly. So you can see, but if it's not even dried like completely, you can take a dry towel and make sure before you store veggies and fruits in the fridge, they are completely dry. So here it is. So I want us to do this together so that you can see how I will pack, and this is something that will help you last for a long time, because everything here will last me for a whole month. So I usually go for my shopping and once a month. I imagine even for my veggies, they don't go bad. Everything usually, the one that gives me challenge is the coriander, but I'm really trying to think of one way which can help me, like it will help me to store them. So I've seen something, let me just try it out, and then I will know if it will work for me or not. But everything else is okay. So let's do this. For this ones, I've not, because I've done this during the night, I've not yet be able to boil them. I usually boil them first before freezing. So let's do this together. See over here, my jars are drying up. I had washed them, so everything is like drying up. This is I had freezed this milk, so I'm waiting it to melt down. I usually freeze it because I usually like buy for a week. So some others I freeze, others I don't. That's what I use to cook with. So my jars are like getting ready, and I've washed even the containers. I've washed even the containers. As you can see, they're drying up. So let's do this.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
For the coriander, make sure you wrap them separately with the kitchen towel, small pieces, and then like the way I'm doing. You have to store them in a very tight jars or any container that you have, so that they cannot get the moisture cannot get inside them. If it does, that's why they go bad so quickly. But if everything is tight, airtight, it will be so okay. It will stay for longer.
Going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And then we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
This is the situation that I'm in right now. Oh my god, it's like I've taken, I don't know, an hour doing this. You need to put on the favorite music playlist and at least enjoy. So I've done my capsicum, red pepper, yeah, my tomatoes. This one is the eggplant, cucumber, and my gourget. And I've done this beetroot. And then here I've just, for the expandable one, I've placed my tree tomato and my passion fruit. Here on my zip bag, I've cut, these are 2 pieces of mangoes. I have to freeze them, so for that I can be able to be making smoothies using frozen mangoes. And then this one here is a mixture of red cabbage, broccoli, what is it, carrots, what is I'm forgetting the name of this white one here. Then my green peas is here, my maize. These ones I will transfer them the moment I'll boil them. I'll transfer them to this paper. That's why I've not done that yet, because it's at night. I'll do this tomorrow. And then what else? Yeah, my avocado, I'll not place them in the fridge. You don't need to place avocados in the fridge because they will ripe. They will ripe when they are outside, so that's no. And then on this compartment, I've put my carrots. Okay, I found out when I wash carrots, they turned to die fast, so I have to, like the way I've just bought them, I just keep them the way they are, and they really stay for long. Even if they are not in a paper, make sure you put them maybe in a paper like this, a zip bag. And for the tomatoes do well when they are outside, like when they are not refrigerated. I'm refrigerating them because they are almost, like all of them are almost ripe. So if they are unripe, the best way is to just put them on the countertop and you're good to go. And then here I've done my okra. These ones I'm gonna use like maybe this week. That's why I've put them in a tight jar like this, and tissue my paper towel like here, so that it cannot absorb moisture. The best thing for the vegetables and the vegetables to store, you need not to like allow them to like inhale the moisture. That's why you're finding we have to like put them in a zip bag, and the zip bag you have to remove the air like that. So that's why. And then here is garlic. This one is way easier when you want to prepare stuff. You've already like removing garlic the time you want to cook is a lot of work. So this one for me, I find it easy. And then here you have to, like, after you've chopped your carrots, the best thing for it is to store in water for it to remain crunchy. Yeah, but if you're not, you better just place it the way I've done here. Like, don't wash it, don't do anything to it, just let it be in the paper. And then here I've cut this one, the okra that I've cut, this one I want it to stay for long. That's why I've cut it like this, because I have to freeze it. You freeze it and make sure this paper doesn't have air in it, and then just spread them like that, and that's how you arrange them. And these ones are my lime. So even this one, you have to store them in a paper for them to like stay longer, as you can see. So these ones I just arrange them the way as they are, and these ones are my coriander. You have to, like, the coriander to stay longer, you have to, okay, I usually try that method of cutting the leaves and the stalk differently, but it's not really working for me. I don't know, because most of you need to be like changing this paper towel all the time, but because sometimes I forget, I tend to mess it up. So for this one, I've not cut the stalks. It's just the way it is, just the whole of it, and then you make sure you place it in a zip bag without air and like that, so that it cannot absorb moisture. This one will stay longer. So can we arrange these things together now?
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So guys, I'm done. So let me just take you through quick. So you can see here the freezer. Okay, I usually, when I'm arranging or wiping the fridge, I usually switch it off. So now, right now it's off. So I've put here these ones for freezing. These are ice cream, hams, the smokies, and like that. So that one is done. And then down here, my fridge is a little bit small, so that's why I have to remove this compartment so that these 3 jars could fit. So as you can see how they are, guys. Oh my god, yeah, like that. So here is where I've put my capsicums. This one is my coriander, my red cabbage, my limes. And then this one is the one that I was telling you, the expandable one. I've placed it like that. It's expandable. And then down here, that's when I've put my tomatoes. And then, yeah, okay, the capsicum I'm here, the cucumbers are here. And then here, inside here, I've just done these apples. These ones will be done by like a week, so that's why you don't need to like put them that much. And then down here is where I've put my mangoes, orange, and carrots. And then here is the jars that I showed you, how I've put my carrots, my okra and garlic. This one is baked beans, and then this one is tomato paste. I usually buy it like this. The other one spoils quick for me because I don't usually cook with them as much. And then here down, this one is sour milk, yogurt, and then milk, and then juice. So that's how it is, guys, as you can see. At least now I'm finding it's well arranged than how it usually is. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope that you've learned 1 or 2 things from this video, and remember to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, in my next video, goodbye.